Oh yeah, another thing off the Toto list. Yeah, yay, yay, yeah buddy. So I picked up this kit. It does all the parts. It's replaced like parts that you took out. I'm hoping this is going to work for me. Alright, I took out a brown one of these. And that matters on how you screw this back in. Which means if we want to tighten it, we're really going to loosen it. These are the reverse threads. Now, somewhere I read, don't over tighten the plastic stuff. It does get hot out here. I don't know what the internet says, but this is my thermometer in the shade. It's been up to 99. It's 97 right now. The one in the backyard, this is in the shade in the front yard. The one in the backyard says it's over 100 and it's out in the full sun. Well, I didn't bring the hammer. I didn't bring the knife. I have a bent nail. There we go. Let's keep the critters and bugs out. Good luck to you, Bob. Did not make it. Come on. Did not make it. Alright. Should have bought the longer one, huh? There's a way around this. I'm going to go downstairs, pull that pipe closer to this one. Get it started. And come back out. Alright, so there's good news. I did make it on the pipe down there. Well, I didn't, but it was just one was here and one was here. One was here and one was here. So it just took a little bit to line those up. And then the threads fought me. And then after that, everybody was good. I'm gonna like that. I got bent nails, but I don't care. I think the big thing here is don't hit the pipe. Ouch. Are we counting? Ooh, don't hit that either. Are we counting how many times I miss? It's the same old story. Right where the camera is, where I should be. Don't hit the pipe. Was that two so far? It's not going to get as easy now that it's next to that. If you find yourself in a spot like this, you take a steel piece of metal, put it up there, it may not go as fast. It's a lot easier hitting on that. Hang on, we're really close. You know, I should have tested it to see if it leaked before I nailed it in. Doesn't matter. We're gonna get some goop and put it around here and there. Make sure nothing gets inside the house. And we're gonna turn the water back on. Probably works, pretty sure of it. All right, did we all place our bets? Get it involved. Turning off the handle. Here we go. I have a hose in the backyard. Yay! Stop dripping. Cool. I should hook up the hose. What do I got? Oh, I'm gonna get the goop. Put it around there. Keep the birds and the bugs and the bees out. All right. All right. I was gonna leave you guys hanging. I thought, you know what, that would be just cruel. I'm gonna put some around the nails here too. Just because we know the water from there can go inside. Alright, I am not good at this. We get it there? Alright, nope, forgot the nail. Cool. We're just gonna do this and that. And I really got no reason to do this because this dries clear. So no one's gonna know how much of a mess I made. Well, somebody might. Wait, you guys been watching this whole time. This dries clear, guys. No need to worry. Alright. That's it. We're done. Yay. This is good news. I get to scratch another thing off my to-do list. Yeah, buddy. One last thing to check. That drip of water right there. Freaking A. Let me wipe that off and see if it's done. Man. No! Rackin' frackin' sackin' freaking roar! Unreal. I should have used some more Teflon tape. I should have done something. This is so sad. I'm gonna go outside, pull the nails out, and give it like another turn. I don't think I can fit a full turn on that. Well, I guess I could. It's kind of tight, but I'll give it a shot. Unreal. So, stuff happens. I just snapped the head of that nail. Makes you want to wear safety glasses if you do that. Watch that. What do you think? Pull it all the way out. Put some more Teflon tape on it. It's getting awful quiet around here. I don't know about the extra Teflon tape. As I think it would be smarter to put on the extra Teflon tape. Ouch. I know I left the water on inside. I don't have a clue about this. This is one I replaced the innards for. If I take this thing, open it up. Oh, you know what? I turned off the water. Water is going to come out of here. Water is going to come out of there. I'm going to try to take that off, fit some washers on there. I bought some washers just for this. But if I can't get this to work, I'm going to replace the whole stupid thing. Because it means it outsmarted me. So buying the parts kit to replace the guts in here did not work. So I got one of these. Even though I measured it, somebody's just a little bit off. how that happened. Alright. This one we're going to go for the Teflon tape. In the basement where this hooks up, it's actually screwed into there. So instead of using the inside, like we did on the other one, or I did on the other one, I'm going to take a break here to talk about that, I forgot what its name is, starts with C. Burns like fire, comes in a powder, chili peppers, chili powder, whatever that was that I bought a big old tub of to keep the rabbits away. Rabbit just walked on my porch there. So if we're back to here, should be much easier. Teflon tape, it is never easy to get this right, but the same way you're going to screw it in is the way you should wind up the tape. So that means I'm going to go this way. Let me see if I can picture that if I did it right. Okay, when I screw this in, there's my end. I'm going to turn it that way so the end keeps going there. There's the end, and the end goes that way. Always takes big visual effort for that to work for me. You're going to take this and this guy. I'm going to grab on the part that's metal, like so, after I get the thread started, and tighten this up so it faces down. Hopefully I didn't throw away those couple nails, and they're not bent too bad from being torn out of this one where I put the parts in and it did not work. Don't fall. How come you ended up? It's not that bad. Hopefully it fits. I'm about to find out.